Google's VO3 just dropped, and it's making AI videos with dialogue and sounds that feel real. Want to create Hollywood-level clips? Stick with GadInsider. What's good, tech fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. Google unveiled VO3, an AI video generator that creates stunning visuals with native audio at I/O 2025. It's taking on OpenAI Sora, and it's a game changer for creators. Let's dive into how it works. VO3, launched on May 20, 2025, uses Google's DeepMind tech to generate videos from text or image prompts with synced audio. Think dialogue, animal sounds, or ambient noise. It nails real-world physics like water splashing and delivers accurate lip syncing for ultra-realistic clips. Unlike OpenAI Sora, VO3's audio integration sets it apart, making it perfect for filmmakers and content creators. But it's pricey. More on that soon. Why is VO3 trending? It's producing 4K videos that blur the line between real and AI, like news anchors or rave dance-offs as seen on Google. Google's Flow tool lets you stitch clips for pro-level storytelling, but some worry about misinformation risks. Google's counter: synth ID watermarks to flag AI content. Creators love it. An ex-user made a $500,000 style ad for just $500 in credits. Want to try VO3? It's available now for US Google AI Ultra subscribers at $249.99 a month or via Vertex AI for businesses. You can also access it through Gemini or Workspace. Follow GadInsider for tutorials and budget-friendly ways to test it. Check blog.google for demos and expect more at Google I/O updates. That's the buzz on Google's VO3, GadInsider fam. Are you ready to make AI movies or worried about what's real? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and share this video to stay in the tech loop.